Welcome, my friend. What if everything you believe about money is incomplete? What if getting rich is not about luck, talent, or working all day and night, but about one simple shift most people never notice? In this story, you will learn English naturally while uncovering a quiet truth about wealth that changes the way you think, act, and decide. Listen carefully, because the idea you hear today may be worth more than money itself. Getting rich is easy. This sentence sounds dangerous. It sounds arrogant. It sounds like a lie. Yet it keeps returning again and again across history, across cultures, across generations. Not shouted, not advertised, whispered. Because wealth does not belong to noise. It belongs to patterns, and patterns never argue. They only repeat. In the world of money, there is a silent system at work. It does not care about emotions. It does not reward intention. It does not punish mistakes once, but it punishes ignorance forever. This system moves slowly, calmly, and with perfect memory. Every action is recorded. Every habit leaves a trace. Every decision, small or large, creates a direction. Most people believe money is rare. The system disagrees. Money is everywhere, flowing, circulating, changing hands every second. The real scarcity is not money. The real scarcity is understanding. Those who understand the system feel life getting lighter. Those who do not feel life becoming heavier. The first hidden rule is this: money follows order, not effort. Chaos repels wealth. Disorganized thinking creates disorganized results. When actions are random, income becomes random. The system rewards structure, simple routines, clear priorities, calm repetition. Order is not exciting, but it is powerful. The system observes everything. It notices when time is respected. It notices when time is wasted. Hours invested compound quietly. Hours lost never return. Time is the first currency, and the system never forgives misuse. Those who treat time casually remain poor in results, even if they work endlessly. Another rule lives beneath the surface. Value always comes before money. Money is never the reward. It is the echo. When value increases, money follows naturally. When value stagnates, income freezes. The system does not pay for movement. It pays for usefulness. It listens to problems solved, not sweat produced. Many believe difficulty equals reward. The system laughs at this belief. Hard things can be worthless. Easy things can be priceless. Complexity often hides inefficiency. Simplicity creates scale. Wealth grows faster where friction is low and clarity is high. The system also understands attention. What receives attention improves. Numbers watched closely behave differently. Costs shrink when observed. Skills grow when practiced intentionally. Neglect is expensive. Awareness is profitable. Attention directs energy, and energy directs outcomes. Fear is another silent tax. The system charges heavily for hesitation. Delayed decisions create delayed results. Fear pretends to protect, but it actually steals momentum. Small action breaks fear instantly. The system rewards motion, not courage speeches. There is also a quiet truth about perfection. Perfection slows everything. The system prefers progress. Imperfect action creates feedback. Feedback creates correction. Correction creates mastery. Waiting for perfect conditions is another form of waste, and waste is always punished. Ownership plays a critical role. What is owned compounds. Skills owned improve. Systems owned repeat. Knowledge owned expands. Dependency weakens growth. Control strengthens it. The system favors builders over borrowers of opportunity. Consistency speaks louder than talent. Talent shines briefly. Consistency stays forever. The system compounds small effort repeated daily. Big effort done rarely disappears. Wealth is built in silence, through boring repetition that most people quit too early. Approval is irrelevant to the system. Popularity does not matter. Validation does not matter. Only usefulness matters. Trying to impress weakens focus. Solving real problems strengthens demand. The market listens to value, not opinions. Identity shapes income quietly. When growth feels foreign, actions reject it. When improvement feels normal, decisions support it. The system aligns results with self-image. Change the identity, and behavior follows. Behavior creates outcomes. Money itself is neutral. It carries no emotion. It does not judge. It responds. When rules are followed, results appear. When rules are ignored, struggle increases. Complaints do nothing. Alignment changes everything. Many chase shortcuts. The system hides traps inside shortcuts. Real growth feels slow, predictable, almost boring. But boredom is often the sound of stability forming. Excitement fades. Structure stays. The illusion is that getting rich is hard. The reality is that misunderstanding is hard. Once the system is seen clearly, resistance drops. Confusion disappears. Progress becomes logical. Wealth is not luck. It is alignment with invisible laws. Laws that never change. Laws that never explain themselves. Laws that reward quietly and punish silently. Getting rich becomes easy only after the noise is removed, and the system is finally heard.